Welcome to Swift Learning. In this episode, I'd like to introduce you to our Personal Protective Equipment Adaptive course from the HSE Certification Program. All our courses are mobile, so they can be accessed when you need it most, from your desktop to your tablet to your smartphone. Managers, supervisors, and workers all have responsibilities with respect to the selection and use of personal protective equipment. Legislative requirements and standards provide the framework for the manufacture and selection of PPE for different tasks and work environments. By following this regulatory framework, you will put yourself and others in situations in which the equipment used provides the protection required for the job. Upon completion of this course, you will be able to describe the major classes of PPE used at the worksite and the main components of each. Understand your responsibilities regarding the selection and use of PPE. Identify and describe the most common PPE items that are required as part of a corporate health and safety program, and describe the inspection, care, and maintenance requirements of the equipment. You will need approximately 1 hour to complete this course. Let's get started, and remember, Swift Learning equals Swift Success.